Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame, we can see that gold is currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now from the monthly we can see that currently gold is showing significant bearish momentum with this previous monthly close early today. We have seen that after closing this candle, the sellers started to sell this market. As we see that this closed candle has a huge liquidity trigger from this resistance zone. As soon as the candle closed, the gold seller started to sell, and what I think that the price might come back to this monthly support level for longer term perspective. If we look at the weekly time frame, we can see previous week gold has formed this long week doji that has crossed the previous weekly low, and also we have seen that from this smart money area where this is the previous resistance here turn support, gold had a bounce. Now this current weekly candle so far tested the high, tested the 50% of this previous weekly candles week. Now we see that the price has started to move down, and we highly likely that we could see gold is testing this support before moving towards the upside. So there is a probability for the price to continue to drop this week as well. If we look at the daily time frame, we have seen that from the daily perspective, as you can see, there was a strong rejection from this swing low where there was a liquidity, and after breaking this swing low there has been bounce to the upside again to the resistance. So now as we have seen in our previous analysis, gold has done exactly as it is, tested the resistance zone and again had a rejection. With the rejection, what I think that we could see later today or tomorrow, gold is testing this support again, or even we could see potential break to the downside to this level where we are expecting gold to come back with the monthly support level. And also you see that there is a daily doji, and back to back two strong bullish movement here has not been tested by the seller, and there is an imbalance in that zone, and we could see gold slowly trending to the downside to this support level. So we see that monthly, weekly and daily showing potential bearish momentum on gold. Now let's see on the lower time frame how we see the price action. As you can see, after yesterday's bullish move to the upside from this important level, this support down resistance, gold started to drop, and every session the price is creating series of lower high and lower low. What I think that we could see potential liquidity grab at the top, as we see quite a few sessions drop the trend on the lower time frame due to like exhausted. Any point we could see potential liquidity grab to the upside. If we look at the 1 hour chart, we see that this is a downtrending market in this lower time frame, creating series of lower high and lower low. So we will be waiting for a spike to the upside, especially along this 1 hour 20 EMA where we see this previous support turn resistance. I think that we could see potential break to the upside, any kind of local breakout along this zone where there is a high liquidity. As soon as you will see gold is giving us suitable entry opportunity along this zone, we will consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. Leave a comment below to support this idea. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.